Hello you guys and good morning. We are getting ready for the day. We both just got dressed and I'm brushing my hair. I think I definitely have a sunburn on my scalp because brushing it literally hurts so much. So I think there's a sunburn there. Today we are going on a boat tour. So Candace is currently making breakfast and then we'll eat that and head out because I think it's kind of early in the morning. She just went to eat because now it's done, but I'm gonna do my hair first. I'm just putting some oil on it. And I think I want to do like a braided ponytail today, just so I don't have to like deal with hair flying in my face. Before I do my hair, I haven't put lotion on this entire time since I've gotten my sunburn, so I need to do that. Banana boat, why did I say it like that? Banana boat smells the best. And this Laura Recovery, literally the best sunburn thing you could ever possibly buy. All right, ponytail. It's halfway done. I'm just gonna have my stepmom braid it because that's easier and faster. But that'll have to wait till after we eat, probably. Oh, deodorant. I almost forgot. Let's eat. All right, here's the spread. I got toast, eggs, bacon, a couple coconut chunks, and a couple pieces of pineapple. And then I have my coffee, which is basically a Keurig cup with some protein shake. And yes, this piece is half peanut butter, half butter because I don't really like crunchy peanut butter, but I wanted a little bit of the peanut butter taste, so I'm eating a little bit of it. We've made it to our airboat tour place, but I'm gonna use a GoPro. So hopefully the footage looks good. Here we go. Okay, we went on 2 boat tours and like a water buggy tour, but the GoPro was not working. So I don't really know if I actually got any footage of that. But now we're going to like the zoo-ish part. So I got my camera out of the car for that. So let's see if this works. He's just chilling. He's chilling right there on the little platform. It's kind of freaky. Oh my god. That's so cute. Turtles and little baby crocodiles together. That's so funny. Hey buddy. It looks dry.
I can.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Yeah.
One over here. There's 2.
Hey guys.
I think this hairstyle makes me look like I'm a boiled egg. So like I've been trying to like smile to the side so you can see that I do have hair. It's not very cute though. Harper looks cute in it. Look at her, she's so perfect. Holy guacamole. That's a big cat. Look at that.
Wait.
Oh my god, the size of this paws is insane. It's so big, Dad.
It's so big.
Yeah. Oh. Look, it's a sleeping lion.
Yeah, a sleeping boy lion. It has a little ball.
Okay, this zoom is not really zooming. It's a little baby like you.
Yeah.
Oh.
You like the babies or the big ones better?
Baby.
Alright. Oh.
I'm gonna hold a baby.
Yeah.
You can try a number of things, like people tell me go for the eyes. But they'll pop right back up. That's the defense mechanism so big cats cannot call them out. You'll see here they go in as soon as they get close to them. You hit the head, hard ass rock, pull his mouth off the skull. You hit the nose as hard as you can, that is your best bet if you're fighting for your life. Hit that as hard as you can, he may open up. But they have a joint down here that locks the jaw. Once the jaw is locked, you have 6 grown men trying to open that up. He will not open it.
Look at that. Is this so cool? Okay, you want to hold it? It's heavy. Hold it where I'm but you're down for the arms. Oh, there's
Turn around, face mommy.
Let's see. Look at the vlog. Oh, easy. All right, look up here. Is that pretty cool? Yeah. All right, Sissy. Look at that. Hey, Jellybean. Did you have so much fun?
Yeah, I got this.
Yeah, you got that, and you got to hold a baby gator.
Yeah.
Yeah, after the whole day, all you care about is your toy.
No.
No? Okay, good. Oh my god, it's so hot. We just ate lunch and now we're about to go swim. Are you ready to swim?
Mm-hmm.
my hair looks horrendous because like these pieces are just like out, and I just think it makes the egg even worse. Like it's not even slicked back, it's like just chaos. But I'm gonna swim and get my hair wet so it doesn't really matter, and then I can shower afterwards, and then we're going to dinner tonight, like at a place where I can actually like wear a dress or something, kind of like nicer than just places that we end up going. So yeah, that's exciting. I actually haven't even swam yet since we've been here in the pool. I like got in once after we kayaked, but I didn't get my hair wet, and I just like stood in there for like a second and then got out. So we're gonna jump in.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, jump to me. Oh god. Oh. All right, you go first.
Okay. Drumroll. Okay, stop. And
Oh, good job. My turn.
yeah.
Why'd you scream?
You scared me. Now it says he's gonna go first before me.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna jump. Stay in the pool.
Good job. My favorite thing about taking a shower on vacation, besides the fact that you just like feel so good, is in like being able to like see the sun that you've gotten at different points of time. Like I don't know, it just like hits so much different after a shower. Is this weird that I'm in my towel? I'm so sorry. Also, I wore my one shoulder swimsuit yesterday when we went kayaking, and I didn't really like think about that. Like I was just sitting in the sun with one shoulder, so of course I would have a one strap line. So that was kind of dumb. Do you ever get annoyed at like something so dumb you did? Like, why am I so dumb? I literally made my dad come in from outside so he could go get me the lotion and the spray that was in their room because Candace was in there taking a shower. And it's literally in my bathroom. Like, it is literally right there. Like, that's so dumb. Like, it was right. What's wrong with me? Okay, we're going to dinner and we're all dressed up. And us three have pink on.
Yeah, me, mommy, and Sissy.
She really had to think about that. I put on mascara though, and I haven't worn mascara plain in a long time.
And Sissy, and mommy let me have her perfume on.
Oh, that's special. Show them your hair. Ooh, keep walking. Cute. You have your new clips and you have a cute little hair. You have
And
your
my
romper.
new bracelet.
Oh, that's cute. I don't remember what the place we're going to is called, but we were here the other day at a different restaurant. I think it was called CJ's. So we're back. I've already dug into my food, but I got the captain's platter with green beans and coleslaw, and it comes with, did I say grouper? Grouper, scallops, and shrimp. It's my first time having scallops, and they taste like nothing. Do you like your food? Yeah. We also got a really good appetizer. What's it? Steak medallions?
Yes.
It was good. Oh, thanks.
Baby?
Thank you. Me and Harper are currently trying to find a spot for me to like set up my camera and take pictures. I like to have the water in the background. We're being like backlit. I feel like that's the right words. And anyways, it looks terrible. So I need to face it this way, but that's like less cute. But we'll make it work, I guess. I think I'm gonna try to set it up on the whatever that is right there, and at least we'll have like some of the water and then the building in the background. But I'm just waiting for them to like pay the check and stuff. Now we are about to have a little family game night. Which game are we gonna play first?
Our new marble game.
Dice game?
Oh god, I couldn't think of the actual word. Okay.
Quicks.
Quicks. A fast family dice game. Cool. I swear if I get copyrighted because of you. Alright y'all, my camera died while we were playing games, but we're all going to bed now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's a pretty fun day for us. I don't know if I got very much fun footage, but that's fine. Whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.